Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So today I'm here with a video that y'all want to see. This video is about this bomb ass braided style that I'm wearing guys, and this hairstyle has been like trending as of late. And if you hear that, those are my beads. And guys, this hairstyle is, well, this hairstyle was inspired by Saweetie. Like, everybody be rocking the pop smoke braids, and she had them, but hers, instead of having like really jumbo ones, she had like 5 on either sides with like beads and stuff. So I really wanted to recreate that style, and I achieved that. Like, I did my own braids, and y'all can do your own braids too. Just keep on watching this video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to stick around, leave me a like, leave me a comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to yet another video. Y'all are interested in seeing how I achieve these braids, then you should definitely keep on watching. So jumping straight in guys, my hair is already pre-washed, blow dried, and pre-sectioned. I had a friend help me, so my parts are like clean and parted like really good. So if you want your parts like extremely clean, you can get someone to help you. And guys, I moisturized my hair a little bit with some castor oil as well as some leave-in. And the braiding hair that I used was by Janet Collection. It was my first time using this braiding hair, but it held up pretty well. And I'm using Shine Jam to help with the braids. And I did the first braid off camera just so I could like, get the hang of it. And yeah, I start off the braid by braiding my own hair, and I go down maybe like 2 to 3 times with my own hair before adding the first piece. And guys, in adding the hair, you want to make sure you put the hair under your own hair and never above, so it doesn't like stick out. And those are the sections that I'm using. And I divided like 1 pack of braiding hair into 2, and then I sectioned them into pieces like that. And I use about 9 to 10 pieces in each braid. And just like that guys, I add the first piece and then I braid. I maybe go around maybe like once or twice with the braid, or maybe 3 times, it just depends. And then I add the braid. At first I could only add the hair on the right side, but then I kind of figured out how to add it on the left side as well. So with each braid it varied. I added the hair with every braid, as well as I added it like after every 1-2 braid, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense guys. Like, explaining this is kind of weird because I'm no expert at doing feed-ins. All I know is it goes under the braid, and I start off with my natural hair at the top so it looks very natural. I think it'll be better if you just like watched guys how I do it. The key though is to make sure when you add the second piece of like the extra piece of hair, is to add it under and never above, so it doesn't look bulky and it blends seamlessly guys. So just like keep on watching to see how I complete the braid. And this is in real time because it didn't like happen fast for me. Like, it took me a hot minute to like get it together. And guys, I take my time. If you're trying to braid your own hair, have patience, don't be in a rush, because I feel like if you're in a rush it's not gonna work out too well for you. And I'm not like an expert at feed-ins, so this is me like literally like trying and learning as I go along. It's like my second time doing feed-in braids on my hair, so I think it's coming along pretty well. But just look at what I'm doing guys, and I think you probably grasp it better, because for me, I'm a visual learner. When I see, I understand. And halfway down the braid, when I was like plaiting it out guys, I added a piece of braiding hair as well, just to lengthen the hair and to make have like the same consistency from like the top to the bottom, so it's not like thin all the way down. It has like that same thick consistency all the way down. And that's what I did. And guys, I had to like redo a few of these braids. Like, I started off and it didn't start right and I had to redo it. So if you're doing it and you're getting like kinks here and there, be sure to just like like stop, take a breather, and then try again, because I didn't get it on the first try and these were not perfect on the first try. And then the more that I did them, the more I got the hang of them. And guys, with each pack I was thinking I would only get like 2 braids out of it, but then the first 2 braids, it took 1 pack because I made some mistakes and I wasted some of the hair. But for the second pack, guys, I think I got 2.5 braids out of it. And as I said, for each braid, I use like 10 pieces, around about like 9 to 10 pieces. So what I do before I start, I pre-section the hair. Be sure to do that. It helps. Make sure each piece is like the same size and then like lay it out before you start braiding. It's way easier. Your braid will look more uniformed when you do that. And guys, I'm gonna do 5 braids on each side, and in total we're gonna have 10, and in total I used 4 packs of braiding here. But watch, guys, as I do the other 2, and then I'll finish the rest off camera and come back to show you the back piece. It's pretty simple. I don't want to say it's pretty simple because for some people this might be hard, but once you can braid, it's not hard. Like, you just have to exercise some patience and try. And don't mind me like looking around and laughing, guys. I ain't going crazy. My friends were by my house, so yeah, I kept getting distracted and talking and laughing and everything. But in this time, guys, the craziness that's going on outside, you have to laugh where you can. And guys, I really hope you're staying in and you're staying safe, like as safe as possible, and like try to protect like your mental health, guys. Like, I know it gets to your brain because honestly it be getting to me, but try to do like something like positive, something that to lift your spirits, you know, whether it be watching a movie, like reading a book, speaking to someone you love. Like, try to keep your spirits high during this time and just keep praying. I know we will get through this like eventually, but we just gotta like get through. We just gotta like withstand what's going on. Better yet, we have to withstand the storm right now, but everything will be alright. And this style, guys, it lasted me a whole week. Well, I still have it in right now as I'm doing this voiceover, and I've had this in for a week. Like, I really have had this style in for a week, and it can be longer because it still looks pretty good. So if you're looking for a protective style to like last you, you can have this style in for like 2 weeks. And guys, I did the other braids off camera. Now that we're at the back, guys, it's literally still the same thing. I'm looking in the mirror like right in front of me, and I'm literally not seeing the back of my head, guys. I'm actually feeling and doing these braids and adding the hair where I know it's supposed to be added. Like, the whole time I was praying that it came out right because I don't have a mirror behind me and I wanted you guys to see what I was doing. So I just literally like braided and felt where I needed to put the hair, and it came out neat actually. So yeah, and my hair looks extremely red. If you're new to my channel, I have a sensitive scalp, so whenever I braid my hair, if I comb my hair, it gets like that. So I'm perfectly fine. I'm not hurting myself. The braids aren't tight. They're just like perfect. And yeah, in total, guys, I have 10 braids, and as I said, I did this hairstyle on freshly washed hair that was blow dried. And if you've gotten to this far in the video, like, please be sure to subscribe. Like, please subscribe right now. Not please be sure, please subscribe, because if you're like this far already, then that means this video like was of some type of value to you because you made it this far. So please subscribe. Please subscribe. Be sure to like, be sure to comment, and be sure to share with your friends, guys. Like, we're trying to grow. Like, we're really trying to get to 50K. You feel me? So like, help me grow, guys. And yeah, the braids were finally done, and honestly, guys, I did this part the day after because I did my hair really late in the night and I was tired. So I finished my braids in the daytime of the next day, and I'm just adding mousse, and I already hot watered it off camera and seal the ends of it. So be sure to dip your hair in hot water so the ends are sealed, and trim the excess hair off. So I'm just adding some mousse to neaten everything up and also to add some ease to the roots. And then I'm gonna go in with my edge control, guys, my Staff Actor edge booster, and I'm just gonna play with my edges and do some edge art. And guys, it takes forever to get your edges like to cooperate well if you have edges like mine. So take your time, be patient with yourself, and just have fun. Like, people be coming for me sometimes on Instagram with my edges, and I'm just like, it's fun, like enjoy it. Like, you can do your edges however you want. If you want them plain, if you want mad scribblies and little circle things, you can do whatever. Like, it's your hair. Never let anybody tell you that you can't do whatever to your hair. As long as it makes you feel good and you think you look like good, then if you like it, I love it, sis. Anyways, I'm adding the beads, and I got these at my local beauty supply for like 79 cents. So I'm just adding like 4 beads to each of the hair, and that like literally completes the look. And my Saweetie / Pop Smoke inspired braids is finished, and let me tell you guys, I love this hairstyle. It looked so fire. Everybody was complimenting me when I went outside and stuff, and I just really love the sound that the beads make. Like, it's super cute. So that's it, guys. We've come to the end of another video. Like, let me know your thoughts down below. Be sure to subscribe. Like, if you've made it to this far in the video, I really hope that you've subscribed, because we're at the end. Like, I hope you have subscribed, and I hope you've turned your post notifications on. And if you like this style, then please leave me a comment, please leave me a like. Be sure to share with your friends, and in the comments, guys, like, let me know what other style you'd like me to try. And this was inspired by Saweetie / Pop Smoke. So if there's any other celebrity like style that you would like me to try, like hairstyle, then definitely leave it in the comments, and I will attempt my best at, you know, like recreating it. Thank you so much for watching yet another video. I'll catch you in my next one, guys. Bye. Love you.